Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to look at the important changes brought by the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955. First, marriages between people of different castes became legally valid. Before 1955, Hindu marriage laws strictly followed caste rules, and inter-caste marriages were neither socially nor legally recognized. But after this reform, if two Hindus from different castes wanted to marry, the law accepted it as valid. Second, the Act introduced monogamy under Section 5(1). This means a person can have only one spouse at a time. If someone marries again while their first spouse is still alive and the marriage is not legally ended, it is called bigamy, and under Section 82 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, it is a criminal offense. Third, the Act simplified the conditions for a valid Hindu marriage. Earlier, there were many complicated rituals and legal conditions, but now the rules were made clearer and easier to follow. Fourth, it gave couples legal remedies for marriage-related problems. These include restitution of conjugal rights, asking the court to direct a spouse to live together again, judicial separation, living apart without ending the marriage, nullity of marriage, declaring a marriage invalid from the beginning, divorce, legally ending the marriage. Another major change was regarding children born from marriages that are void or voidable. Earlier, such children were often considered illegitimate. The 1955 Act changed that; it declared them legitimate, protecting their legal rights. The law also introduced provisions for alimony and maintenance in Sections 24 and 25. This means if one spouse needs financial support during the case or after divorce, the court can order the other spouse to provide it. Finally, under Section 26, the court was given the power to decide on custody, care, and education of children, always keeping the child's welfare as the top priority. The Marriage Laws Amendment Act of 1976 brought important changes to Hindu marriage law. First, a new Section 13B was added. This introduced divorce by mutual consent. That means if both husband and wife agree to end their marriage, they can go to court together and get divorced, without blaming each other. Second, divorce on the ground of adultery became easier. Earlier, you had to prove repeated acts. But now, even one confirmed incident is enough. Third, for divorces based on incurable mental illness, incurable disease, or venereal disease, there's no longer a 3-year waiting period. If the condition exists, you can apply for divorce immediately. And finally, Section 21B was added to ensure that cases like divorce or judicial separation are decided quickly, so people don't have to wait for years in court. Thank you.